Welcome back to Making Money with AI, and this is our giveaway video. So what we want to do is do a giveaway. Here we have all of our AI newsletter subscribers. You can subscribe to our newsletter for free. I'm going to scroll down. This is about 1,000 people here. As you can see, they're all here on the wheel of names. We're going to spin the wheel in a second, but I just want to encourage you, if you haven't already subscribed to our free AI newsletter, that's how you get into this drawing. And we're going to have these drawings periodically, and we just want to encourage you to be subscribed to the newsletter. Of course, you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel as well, but the newsletter is where we're going to give you the latest, newest information. Like as soon as something happens that's big news, we're going to send that information out to you through our newsletter. So that's why you want to be subscribed to our free AI newsletter. You'll see the description link down below this video in the description box. All right. Let's do the giveaway. This is for a $200 hotel certificate. This certificate will save you $200 at over 1 million hotels around the world. So it doesn't matter where you are. You could be anywhere and you'll still be able to benefit from a $200 savings on your next hotel stay. So let's spin the wheel and let's see who wins. Now, obviously, I had to blur out the names because we want to keep everybody's privacy, and we only have your email address. So we don't want to blast that to the whole world. So SCJRS, congratulations, you are the winner. You're the winner of a $200 hotel certificate. We're going to email the details on how to get that certificate. Congratulations and thank you for being a subscriber to our free AI newsletter. Again, if you all haven't subscribed to the free AI newsletter, it's 100% free, doesn't cost you anything. Get subscribed. The link will be down below in the description. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.